To enable and disable users on the SmartGard keypad using the Master User 0 combination, first start by pressing the right arrow button to activate the keypad to take the manager code. Then go ahead and enter in that Manager User 0 code. We come to the programming menu, and on the first screen we see Disable and Enable. This is where we can disable and enable users. Any of the user IDs listed in this sequence are users that are currently installed in the keypad. So currently we have users 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. User slots 6, 7, 8, and 9 are not used. If any of these users were already disabled, what we would see are flashing numbers. I'll get the program menu back. If any of these numbers were flashing, we would know that they were already disabled. We'll go ahead and disable user 5 now. And user 5 is disabled. We'll escape off the screen, and right now user 5 is disabled on the keypad. Enabling them, it's basically the same procedure. Activate the keypad with the right arrow button, enter the user 0 master code, and then enter in the number of the user you'd like to enable. And they're enabled. Hit escape to exit out of the program menu.